All right, hey y'all. We're gonna walk you through how to create an article here in the platform. So first, if you're just getting into the admin section, close out of here. You may need to click this upside down triangle to get to the admin settings. So just click community settings, and then you'll get into the admin section. And then you can also click content management. This is where we're going to be doing most of the content creation. You can see I'm already in the news section, and this is where we're going to create an article. Another thing you'll find helpful is you can click this admin help button as well if you need to. And you can also see how to create an article here as well. So coming back to this section, uh, you'll always want to add an image, and you'll see if I try to click save now, it's going to tell me there's a bunch of required fields. So you always want to add those in order to create your article. So I'll drag and drop the image in here. So this is the image for web. I'll also drag an image for mobile. This is really if you want it optimized. If you left this blank, it'll just try to pull in the image for desktop and mobile for the image that's in this top section.
Hey,
Uh,
Mark, you
yep,
don't have to drag and drop though, right? You can click it and then find it on your desktop if you want to do it that way, right?
yep, exactly. You can also click it, and something will pop up, and you can, just upload it from your desktop as well.
And if you leave the mobile blank, then it's fine as well.
Yep, exactly. Yeah, you won't get a required um, error as well. Cool, good call out. And then for creating your article, you can just drag and drop your title in here. You can also go ahead and take your description. So I'm gonna grab this one in here. Michigan State Aiden Childs rates over his touchdown.
That's the photo credit, I
Okay.
think.
All right. So maybe we'll go with something like this for description. How's that look?
Yeah, that's good.
Okay. And then the free section. So this is the section that anybody will get to read for free. Um, and you can choose how far down you want it to go. So in this case, I could pull something like this. 3, 2, 1 of the season. Add your spacing. All right. 3 things we want to see. Run game. Cool. How's
And
that
I
look?
think people should notice that there are different options along the bar up there where it's like the headline font, the different sizes, and it seems to grab, if you're copying from a Google Doc, it absorbs the fonts that you put in there and finds the closest thing for it for you. But if you want to adjust it, it's all adjustable up there.
Yep, definitely. Definitely. Good call out.
And then is that also where you put pictures in? If you want, you click on those buttons.
Yep, yep. You could upload an image from here. And again, this will pull from your desktop. Or you should be able to drag and drop that. And then also inserting media from Twitter or YouTube as well, where you could insert those as well.
All right. And then after you put the part you want to have free, then you go down below the page break and put in the part that you want to have behind the paywall.
Yep, exactly. And I believe you have to put that same section as well. We've already spaced it. And then the rest of the article, um, let's put that in as well.
I didn't
And
realize that was the case. I thought that there was a dividing line there.
oh, for like a space within. I know I'm pulling from a Word doc here, so we can check to see if we can make that easier too to catch that as well.
I guess what I mean is I thought you put the free stuff in the free box and you put the paid stuff in the paid box. I didn't know you had to put everything in there.
Yeah, I believe that that's just what it's doing. And when we save, we'll see as well. I think it's just whatever's in the body will be what you see behind the paywall, and then whatever you put in here will be in front of the paywall.
So it might be easier to put everything in the paywall version and then just grab and then copy and paste from that the part that you want into the free version. That way you're working a little bit more efficiently that way.
Yeah, that totally works. That totally works. Cool. So now we've got our body in here, and I'll just leave it here for now, so we can move to the rest of it. You can put your image credit in here, and so I believe this will be this piece here.
You have to toggle that on.
Yeah, and then toggle it on. And so if you have it off, it's not required, but you toggle it on, just put it in, and then author. David, is this one gonna be you?
Put in Matt Sheehan.
Oh, you're gonna have to spell that for me.
Sheehan.
All right, right on. Sweet. And then you're gonna want to put make sure your subscription tier is on. If this is off, this means the user will get to read the whole thing for free. But if you put this on, then whatever's in front of whatever's in the free section will be free to everyone, and then everything else will be behind the paywall. And then you can also select the category that you want as well. And so I believe this was a football article. And you can also select multiple categories too. So if this happened to also be recruiting, you could select it as well, and it would go there, or you can remove it pretty easily. And then we will just click save. And then now this piece of content has been uploaded, but definitely note that it is not set live by default. So you can create an article in advance and then come back, the next day and actually go here and enable it. And that's what will set it live. Now we can see that it's live. 3, 2, 1 preview. So if we go over to the non-admin view and we click on article, if we come down to football, here we can see the 3, 2, 1 preview. We click read more, and we can read our full article behind the paywall.
And then can you show how to make that into the hero spot as well, so that it moves into the main spot?
Yeah, absolutely. Good call. So we'll go back into the admin section, and we will come here, and we will, so this article currently is in the hero spot. So we'll want to go ahead and remove it. And then we can come back down to 3, 2, 1.
How did you remove it? I missed that.
Oh, I just went and edited it. So I clicked view, and then I unchecked it. So let me go in and click view and click hero. So now when we go back out, we'll see that, if we refresh, this 3, 2, 1 article is the hero video. And if we go back and click it again and turn it off, then it will no longer be the hero video. I have to just refresh, or maybe give it a second, and then it's no longer the hero video. But we do want it the hero video, so I'll turn it back on again. Oh, but sorry, David, did you catch that one?
Yeah. So can you do that before you save it the first time?
Yeah. Or on the very first creation.
Yeah.
For articles, I believe we're adding that in tomorrow, so it should be pretty easy. But if not, just you'll do it right after the edit section. But here you go, hero, non-admin, and then we go to article. Now this is our hero image.
Okay. And then that sounds good. I think we'll be, of course, updating some of this as we go along to, just make things more efficient. So if people have ideas, kind of write them down, say, hey, it would be nice if we could do this, do that. And of course, we'll be able to make some updates as we go.
Definitely. Cool. Thanks so much.